Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mackenzie Nelson if you're new here. I just made my way to Arequipa in Peru. I was just in Huacachina and that was the last vlog. If you guys watched that, it was really fun. We went sandboarding and dune buggy. But now I'm in Arequipa and I actually have quite a few things planned while I'm here. I'm here for about like 4 or 5 days. Today I just wanted to explore the town, take it easy, and I have a cooking class later, Peruvian experience cooking class. I've never done anything like it, so I'm actually really excited. And then in just a little bit I'm going to do the walking tour, or hopefully get to do the walking tour if I end up finding them in the square. But right now I found this cafe. I'll put the name right here. It's really good coffee and I approve. So I'm just gonna hang out here, maybe edit a vlog, do some homework, and then go on the walking tour. So the hostel gave me this map and like drew out where we are and where this Plaza San Francisco is, which is where the walking tour starts from at 11:50 or wait, 11:50 or 12:15. What time is it? It's 11:15. Well, I think it's at 12:15. Guys, I made a really silly mistake. I thought the tour was at 11:15, but realized that it was actually at 12:15. So now I'm in a souvenir shop looking at patches. I like that one, Rainbow Mountain. Although I haven't gone yet, I know I will. Well, that failed again. I went back to the square at 12:15 to join the free walking tour and there was nobody there. People in my hostel warned me of this yesterday, that they went and nobody was there. So maybe it's just not going on right now, but I'm gonna walk around town, explore it for myself. Couldn't tell you much because I didn't do the walking tour. It's really pretty here. So the guy in the hostel last night told me about queso helado, you know, like ice cream with cheese. And he was like, it's actually not like with cheese, it's just like the way that they make it or whatever. It's like vanilla ice cream or like homemade vanilla ice cream with cinnamon on top. Anyways, I found some for 4 soles from this lady right here, wearing like traditional wear from Arequipa. I just tried it too and it was really good. The souvenirs today. Just bought my sister 2 rings, one made of shells and one made of like the Colca Canyon stone, which I'll be doing in a few days. And then I just bought my sister a postcard. I've been collecting postcards the last like 4 countries for her, kind of forgot. And then I bought a patch earlier, so souvenirs are doing great today. Good afternoon. It is about 4 o'clock, so that means I'm going to my cooking lesson. I signed up for like a Peruvian cooking experience to make like local dishes. I think local dishes, especially to Arequipa, but I'm really excited. I've never done anything like this before and I've always wanted to. Don't really know what to expect and I hope it turns out alright because I am so hungry. It's also my first time doing it with Airbnb experiences. That's who I signed up with and it was $27. An expensive meal I would say, but it comes along with the experience and a new lesson, so I'm always down for it. Just walking there now. It was like a 15-minute walk from the hostel. So that plan ended faster than it even started. I guess they didn't get my reservation on Airbnb. They couldn't even tell me that the class was canceled. So I showed up hungry. Now I leave and it's a huge bummer because all my plans have been getting canceled today. I'm trying to stay positive. I'm just gonna go get something to eat and probably talk to you then. Hello everybody. Flash forward quite a few months. That was back in July and now it is December, right before Christmas of the same year. I've been really behind in editing, just busy with school, but I wanted to sit down for a second and explain what happened that day and just show that lessons are learned, that not everything goes to plan when traveling. Maybe not even a full day of plans. So basically that day I was supposed to go on a walking tour. I got the times mixed up and so then I went for the later time or the actual time, but nobody ever showed up, which I kind of expected because that's what the hostel told me. So then I made my own walk around town moment. But basically what the mix-up is I booked on Airbnb Experiences for $27, I believe, to do this Peruvian experience cooking class that was at this hotel. And they only did it like every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I believe. And this was like a Friday and I was leaving on Sunday, so I couldn't like reschedule till Monday. But basically I showed up to this hotel. I was so excited. I was so hungry. And the guy told me that he never got my reservation. And I made the reservation 2 days prior, but that didn't matter because they never even got my reservation somehow. Like, it got lost in communication or something. So they couldn't even call me or let me know that the class was canceled. So bottom line, it was canceled. So they said that they would refund me. But again, that was in July and now it is all the way in December. And I am not going to refund. I followed up so many times, but they've been ignoring me. I've kind of dropped it and forgotten about it until this moment, but that's okay. I ended up going to the Pasta Canteen, which ended up being one of my favorite restaurants in Arequipa. I went like a few times that weekend. It was so good and so close to the hostel I was staying at. But moral of the story, not everything goes to plan. That's why I always say, stay really flexible with your plans, your day-to-day plans, your whole travel plan, where you want to go, where you want to stay. Just stay flexible with it all. It's just easier on the mind. Yes, I was a little upset, but mostly because I was hungry. And that's why I never picked up the vlog that day, because I just needed a time to figure it out, try to get my money back, and eat. But anyways, if you guys are going to Arequipa, that is so exciting. I do suggest that you do a cooking class because I know that they have some really cool Peruvian dishes, and especially in the town of Arequipa, there's some pretty cool ones I was excited about cooking. So give it a look, maybe not on Airbnb Experiences. I'm only telling you guys the name of the hotel, but I'm not posting the ad or anything on Airbnb just because I don't wanna. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this whole mix-up random chaos vlog. I'm so sorry it's been quite a few weeks late. I've been busy with finals and everything. But I hope to see you guys in the next one. I'm going to Cusco in the series, so it gets really exciting. And then I have a lot of information videos coming really soon. Right, bye! Starting the Rainbow Mountain hike.